This is a short video. I just left the shop. The board is getting painted in the inside. I had to leave. I got a couple of things I gotta do, but it's gonna be a real short video. So it's only gonna be, maybe I think like a couple of pictures and then just short video while they were doing the preps and all that. I couldn't get the video while they were painting, but it's short. I can't show you too much because you can't see the color outside. You can see the color inside maybe. But hope you like it. And if you like it, click like, subscribe. Don't forget to click that notification button because once it's done, the real video is going to come out. You guys will be able to enjoy it. Also, tomorrow, hopefully, we're going to install the outer rubber band. Rubber band? Rubber band? Is it called rubber band? I don't know. It's something. It's black. Is it black? Yeah, it's black. But hopefully we're gonna install that tomorrow, and it's almost done. T-top is already painted, and then we're gonna be working on the. Decided to do a hard top, and that's coming. But it's almost ready. Almost ready. Taking advantage because I'm in a red light, so I don't want to be doing the video I'm driving. So enjoy the video.